19th, Board of Control meeting to order. Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Mayor Bibb.
Here.
Directors Barrett.
Here.
Kane.
Here.
Acting Directors Kramer.
Here.
Haley.
Here.
Director Margolius.
Here.
Acting Director Violent.
Here.
Directors Cole.
Here.
McNamara.
Here.
Martin O'Toole.
Here.
And Crowe.
Here.
We have a couple.
Great. Director King.
Thank you, Mayor and Board. Release has two recommendations. First, 9326, approving department contract with Bonded Chemicals Inc. for neutralization chemicals for 2 years and approving various subcontractors in the amount of $257,400. Obviously, the chemicals are needed for the water treatment process for the division of water. Number one, approving various subs to EW Farrell and Son under city contract for public improvement of 1201 Lakeside. Recommend approval.
Any questions for the director? Barring no questions, Secretary, please call the roll.
All in favor of adoption of the resolution, say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Adopt.
Director Kramer.
Thank you, Mayor, members of the board. Board controls one piece today for lease of property located in 1501 North Marginal Road, Cleveland, Ohio, to Big Play LLC for 1 year with 4 one-year options to renew an amount of $12 per square foot per year for the initial term. Recommend.
Any questions for the director? Barring no questions, the Secretary, please call the roll.
All in favor of adoption of the resolution, say aye. Any opposed? Adopted.
Acting Director Chambers, please put the resolution.
Yes, Capital Projects has two to present to the board. The first is 9326. It is to reject all bids received June 3rd, 2026 for the 2026 Trent Park Site Improvements Project. The second is to authorize a second modification to city contract number 0019 with Soil and Materials Engineers for additional engineering services for 5 projects, increasing our total compensation to SME to a not to exceed $2.5 million and approving various sub-consultants.
Any questions for the acting director? Barring no questions, Secretary, please call the roll.
All in favor of adoption of the resolution, say aye. Opposed? Adopted.
Okay, acting director, Violent, please put your
Yes, Mayor and Board, Public Safety has two recommendations for your consideration today. First is recommendation 9426, recommendation to award a requirement contract to All American Fire Equipment for the purchase of high-rise kits for the Division of Fire in the approximate amount of $106,948 for a period of 1 year, with 2 one-year options to renew. 5 invitations were mailed to prospective bidders. 1 prospective bidder attended the pre-bid conference. 3 bids were received. All American Fire Equipment was lowest and best bidder for the bid items to be awarded. OEO waived subcontracting goals due to the nature of the items, and it's impractical to subcontract any portions of this contract. Recommendation number 4 is a request for authorization of an amendment to our current city contract 2026-0160 with Freeman Nuisance Animal Removal and Remedy for Nuisance Wildlife Services to increase the total compensation by $38,000 to a total of $250,000. This amendment would enable the Division of Animal Care and Control to extend the current wildlife removal program, scheduled to end in September 1st, and we're going to continue it until October 1st. We're asking the board's approval of these two recommendations.
This is our pilot program around groundhog.
Yes, sir.
removal. Fantastic, great. Any questions for the acting director? Yeah. Okay. Barring none, Secretary, please call the roll.
All in favor of adoption of the resolution, say aye. Any opposed? Adopted.
Acting Director Andruski, please speak your resolution.
Thank you, Mayor and Board. I'm here covering while Director Bordeaux Small is at Committee of the Whole, so thank you for having me. Development has one resolution for the board's consideration. We're seeking to add up to $99,000 to our existing professional services contract for the storefront renovation program. This supplements our one design specialist who we have on staff. We are so glad that the program is reopened. We have a great pipeline of projects. We already have a couple of contracts. And with that significant influx, we need to increase the funds available for our consultant.
Any questions for the acting director? Barring none, secretary, please call the roll.
All in favor of adoption of the resolution, say aye. Any opposed? Adopt.
Any other business for the board? Get 55 minutes back. Thank you.
City council.